As promised, I am back with part 2. अगर आपने अभी तक part 1 नहीं देखा है तो I will link it over here and also in the description box below. Do check it out. So without further delay, let's just dive right in. Mistake number 6: not wearing balanced outfits. Wearing your outfits in the wrong proportion might look very tacky and very cheap. You can correct it by wearing balanced, proportionate outfits which will make you look taller and slimmer along with giving you a chic, polished look. And to create this perfect proportion or balance outfits, you need to wear the perfect length. Don't wear too long outfits together like a full-length jeans with a full-length top. You might look fat and short. Rather go for an ankle-length jeans with a long top or a short top with a long jeans. Another way of creating balance in your outfit is opting for rightly fitted clothes. Try not to pair your fitted top wear with a fitted bottom or a loose top wear with a loose bottom. Always go for a fitted top wear with a loose bottom or a flared top with a fitted bottom. It might sound confusing, but it's not. You should be very mindful about what color you are wearing as your top wear or bottom wear. Say you have a heavy upper body and a leaner lower body, then never wear light color top wear and a dark color bottom. Always go for a dark top wear with a light color bottom and see the difference for yourself. Another mistake we tend to do is wearing too many colorful clothes together. I like colorful clothes very much, as you can see, but wearing too many colors together might make you look clumsy and confusing. I will tell you what to do. Try this 3-color rule. At any given point, you have 3 colors in your outfit. This way it looks more cohesive and neat. Mistake number 8. Oversized clothes are not for fat people. But why? They are so much in fashion all over the globe. Pair your oversized clothes with their perfect matches, just like an oversized shirt with a skinny jeans, or you can pair your oversized shirts as an extra layer with your casual jeans or any monochromatic outfit. Or you can also wear your t-shirts by tucking in. Mistake number 9. Wearing mismatched footwear. Some of us tends to wear a black footwear with almost every outfit, जो कि बहुत बुरा ऑप्शन नहीं है, लेकिन अगर आपका टॉप वेयर या पूरा आउटफिट बिल्कुल लाइट कलर में है और आप उसके साथ एक डार्क फुटवेयर पहन रहे हैं, then it draws all the attention towards your feet, and that is a big no because it creates an illusion of shorter height. Instead of doing this, go for the sandwich method, जहाँ पे आप अपने टॉप वेयर के साथ आपका सैंडल मैच कर सकते हैं और ऑप्ट फॉर अ न्यूड सैंडल विच विल मर्ज विथ योर ओवरऑल आउटफिट विदाउट क्रिएटिंग एनी हाईलाइट. मिस्टेक नंबर 10. नॉट मैचिंग योर ब्लैक्स. ये सुनने में थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा कि ब्लैक के साथ ब्लैक क्या मैच करना है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक आउटफिट, मैचिंग योर ब्लैक्स टुगेदर क्रिएट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मोनोक्रोमैटिक लुक एंड दिस कैन मेक यू लुक टॉलर एंड लीनर. बाय बीइंग माइंडफुल ऑफ व्हाट यू वेयर, यू कैन क्रिएट वेरी chic, stylish and sophisticated outfits. और इसके लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा पैसा खर्च करने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. All of this can be done on a budget. I hope you found this video helpful. अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है then please show some love by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing the channel for more fashion and styling content. I will see you soon with the next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.